Today we'll be learning about how to log into Blackboard account. Make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to log in, you need to open any preferred browser, and on the web address bar you need to type in signin.blackboard.com and press enter on the keyboard. Now you need to find your school or workplace to sign in. Let's enter the school or workplace name here. So as you enter your school or the workplace name, you'll be taken to the sign in page of Blackboard account. So you'll be required to enter the username and the password. After you enter the username and the password, you need to click on the sign in button here. If you want to change the school or workplace, you can click on the change school or workplace link and easily change the school or workplace. So once you enter all your credentials on this page, click on sign in button and you'll easily log into Blackboard account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.